Yes, ma'am. Rise up and start afresh. See the bright opportunity in each new day. A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Ishita and Chakshu, we are here before you to conduct today's morning assembly on behalf of Class 10th D. Every day may not be good. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. We should pray before starting our day. It keeps everything in perspective. So now I would like to call upon Namandeep for prayer. So everyone, kindly join your hands and close your eyes for the same.
Good morning to all of you. O Lord, in my faith, in my fear, give me power. In my powerlessness, I am trusting you. I start my day thanking you, Lord. I start my day thanking you, Lord, for creating this wonderful love, for creating this wonderful love. Every day you bless me, you make me very happy. Every day you bless me, you make me very happy. You are my Lord from up above. You are my Lord from up above. And you came down to show your love. And you came down to show your love. You are my King, my majesty. You are my King, my majesty. O Lord, lead the way for me. O Lord, lead the way for me. O Lord, lead the way for me. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Namandeep. Well, updating ourselves every day is a good habit. We all should have this one common habit in ourselves to show our awareness towards the society as well as nation. So now, Pushkar is here to enlighten us with today's news headlines.
Hello friends, today's news headlines are COVID-19 Kerala reviews situation state capital faces high curbs. Third COVID wave now spreading faster in rural districts. Student protest against RRB result in Bihar block railway track blocks for 5 hours. Now some sports news. Shaheen Shah Afridi wins men's cricketer of the year 2021. India fined 40% of matches free for slow over. Samriti Madan wins ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year award for 2021. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Pushkar. Good and inspiring thought can refresh our minds. Reading one new thought in the morning helps to inculcate positive attitude towards our day. So now, Ashish and Jitin are here for thought and Aaj Ka Vichar.
Today's thought is even the smallest of the effort counts. Even the smallest of the effort counts. So keep doing a little good every day. And one day we will have a country independent from all its problems. Happy Republic Day.
आज का विचार तेज हवाओं में उड़ते हैं जो परिंदे तेज हवाओं में उड़ते हैं जो परिंदे उनके पंख नहीं हौसले बुलंद होते हैं उनके पंख नहीं हौसले बुलंद होते हैं धन्यवाद जय हिंद जय भारत
Thank you, Ashish and Jitin. Now, I hand over to Chakshu for further proceedings.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। इन्हीं विचारों के साथ मैं मंत्रित करती हूँ आकांक्षा को हिंदी कविता के साथ।
देखो, फिर से गणतंत्र दिवस आ गया, जो आते ही हमारे दिलो दिमाग पर छा गया। यह है हमारे देश का राष्ट्रीय त्योहार, इसीलिए तो सब करते हैं इससे प्यार। इस अवसर का रहता हमें विशेष इंतजार, क्योंकि इस दिन मिला हमें हमारे गणतंत्र का उपहार। आओ लोगों को गणतंत्र का महत्व समझाएं, लोगों को गणतंत्र का संदेश पहुंचाएं। गणतंत्र द्वारा भारत में हुआ नया सवेरा, इसके पहले तक था देश में तानाशाही का अंधेरा। क्योंकि बिना गणतंत्र देश में आजादी है तानाशाही, नहीं मिलता कोई अधिकार, वादे होते हैं हवा हवाई, सौगातों की सौगात है। गणतंत्र हमारा महान है, आकार में जो विशाल है, हर सवाल का जवाब है। लोकतंत्र जिसकी पहचान है, हम सभी की ये शान है। गणतंत्र हमारा महान है, गणतंत्र हमारा महान। धन्यवाद। आप सबको कक्षा 10वीं डी की तरफ से गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई।
धन्यवाद आकांक्षा. Now I call upon Harman to share more values and present more information about Republic Day.
Good morning to one and all who is present here on this auspicious day. Today, I am obliged and honored to share my views on the topic Republic Day. So, the question that mostly arrives in our mind is why and when do we celebrate Republic Day? After being under British rule for more than 2 centuries, India gained its independence in the year 1947. Approximately 3 years after India's independence, the Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950, which is known as the Republic Day of India. It is a national holiday which commemorates the process of establishment of Indian Constitution. It marks the celebration of empowerment of the Indian citizens to select their own government. Now let's talk about our constitution. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that democrates fundamental political code, structure, procedure, and powers and duties of the Indian government and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of the citizens. You will be glad to know that Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of any country. It was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. The father of our Constitution, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, also known as the father of our Indian Constitution, was a wise constitutional expert and read Constitution of more than 60 countries before writing the Constitution of India. He was a jurist, economist, and social reformer who fought social discrimination against untouchables in Hindu society. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1990. Republic Day celebration in India. Special gallantry awards like Paramvir Chakra, Ashoka Chakra, and Veer Chakra are presented to brave souls who sacrifice their lives for nation. Unfortunately, if the person is not alive, the award is presented to his or her family members. What can we do for our nation? One thing we can all do is to promise each other that we will become a better version of ourselves so that we can contribute to solve all the problems of the nation and make India a better place to live. At last, I would like to say thank you and wish you a very happy Republic Day.
Thank you so much, Harman. This was very informative. Let's take decision to value our nation. Won't forget those sacrifices who gave us freedom. The feeling of patriotism is the feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to our homeland and to the country. Through poem, it enhances itself more. So here comes Anshika with the poem.
My nation, oh my nation, my India, want to worship you, want to be stuck on you, everything which is mine, want to sacrifice on you, way of life, it amid you, name of yours, strengthen me, fame of yours, arrogant me. How much I'm gratitude to God that He gave me birth on the beautiful land of yours. O India, I always feel to be proud that you gave me a peaceful place in your heart. O India, I always salute you, always salute you. Happy Republic Day.
Thank you, Anshika, for the beautiful poem. Now I invite Rishika to present more knowledge about our heroes who laid the foundation of this nation.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन। लब पे आती है दुआ पर।
Thank you, Rishika. A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. When we honor our flag, we honor what we stand for as a nation. So I request all of you to take pledge position. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. Thank you, everyone. Every beginning always have an ending. Now, I would like to give my special thanks to Principal Ma'am and Headmistress Ma'am for sparing their valuable time to join us. And I would also like to appreciate respective coordinators, all activity in charges, and all class in charges of class 10th, and all my peers for joining us and being a wonderful audience. सही राह का पता तब चलता है जब राह दिखाने वाले साथ होते हैं. At last, I would like to thank our class teacher, Mrs. Paramjit Virk, for guiding us and giving us the opportunity to conduct this class assembly. Hope all of you have a great day with patriotism in your heart on this auspicious day. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.